Did you know? On September 12, 1873, the first practical typewriter was sold to customers, changing how we write forever. Manufactured by E. Remington and Sons, this early typewriter was the first to be commercially successful. It featured the QWERTY keyboard layout, which we still use today on computers and smartphones. This invention revolutionized writing, making it faster, more efficient, and paving the way for the digital age. September 12, 1873, a major leap forward in communication. Like and subscribe for more fascinating history facts.